All right, next video is going to be over breakfast and how we get our breakfast in the morning. Probably the second most important part, right behind lunch. So it will be a little different this year for that. We do have to keep our social distancing, and we got to eliminate our ability to congregate. So the group that comes to group in the school from 7:10 to 7:30. Again, 7:30 we are going to dismiss our students in the gymnasium at 7:30. So that group that arrives early, the 7:10 to 7:30 range, you will be stationed in our gymnasium. At that point at 7:30, we will dismiss you from there. You will then walk out the right side doors of the gym. You will then walk into our commons area. Our commons area is set up for lunch, so that area will all be blocked off. You'll have to walk around that area. You'll enter our auditorium on the right side, go all the way down by the stage of the auditorium, come back up the other side of the auditorium, and you'll exit those far doors. At that point, there's going to be a location outside that with 3 lines for breakfast. You'll then get your breakfast and then loop right back around the commons again and head to your class. So it's very important to get your breakfast. Our groups that are arriving after 7:30 will be the same thing. You'll enter the building through our wanding and temperature taking stations. You'll then go to the auditorium, loop down the auditorium. Remember, masks have to be on, and you must stay social distance 6 feet apart. You'll come out of the auditorium on the right side over there. Walk up. There'll be a line there to get your breakfast. At that point, you'll then take that to your first period class, where we have built in some time during your school day to eat your breakfast in the morning. It is also important reminder that you will be needing your badge to get your breakfast and your lunch. It's also going to be something you'll need for your school bus. So please be sure you get your badge before on that first couple of days of school. And that's how you eat your breakfast. Thank you.